how to turn off comments on Facebook posts and pages. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you turn off comments on your Facebook post or page. But before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook application and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface or the home page from where you will be exposed to various news feed or post. So in order to turn off comments on post, you need to first reach out to the certain post in which you want to turn off the comment. For that, you can tap on your profile at the left upper corner and you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see all of your posts. For example, let me select this post in which I want to make the change. So for turning off the comment, you have to tap on the three dotted horizontal line at the right hand side and you will be able to see who can comment on your post. Simply tap on who can comment and this will be popped up where there is option for public, friends and established followers, friends, profiles and page you mention. So here is no any specific option for turning off your comment, but you need to apply a one trick. So the trick is you have to select profiles and page you mention. By doing that, only the profiles and page you mention on your post will be able to comment. Other than that, no one will be able to comment on your post. So simply tap over there and go for done. And by doing that, no one will be able to comment on your post. Only the page or the person you mention will be able to comment. So this is how you fix your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.